Ancient Greece was one of the most influential civilizations in history. From philosophy to the Olympics, its legacy continues to shape our world today. Here are High 5 lists, top 5 amazing facts about ancient Greece. The first democracy was born here. Athens was the birthplace of democracy. Unlike modern systems, Athenian democracy was direct. Citizens voted on laws themselves. Though it excluded women and slaves, it was a revolutionary step toward governance by the people. The Olympic Games started in Greece. The very first Olympic Games were held in 776 BC in Olympia, honoring Zeus. These ancient games had no medals, winners received olive wreaths instead. And guess what? Athletes competed completely naked. Greek mythology inspired modern stories. Greek mythology gave us legendary gods like Zeus, Poseidon, and Hades. These myths shaped modern literature, movies, and even brand names. Without ancient Greece, we might not have superheroes like Wonder Woman, who's inspired by the Amazon warriors. Spartans were the ultimate warriors. Spartans were trained for war from childhood. Their brutal military training made them some of history's most feared warriors. Their legendary stand at the Battle of Thermopylae, where 300 Spartans faced thousands of Persians, is still told today. The Greeks invented theater. Theater, as we know it, started in ancient Greece. They invented tragedy and comedy, performed in massive amphitheaters. Actors wore large masks to show emotions, and playwrights like Sophocles and Aristophanes set the stage for modern drama. Ancient Greece left behind an incredible legacy, from democracy to mythology. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more history facts.